Welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can manage your WordPress auto update settings over at SiteGround within your Site Tools panel. So it's a very short tutorial once again, because everything at SiteGround is basically very simple and easy to do. So let me explain. To manage your WordPress auto update settings, you first need to log in into your Site Tools panel for the website that you want to set this up for. Then you go to the left menu over here, and over at WordPress options, there you will have the auto update settings. Click on it, and if you do that, then you will see this screen over here, and over here you can set settings for auto updates, of course. So the first one is the major release, and by default it's set on 24 hours, but you can also set it to immediate or 48 hours or 72 hours. I'll just leave it at 24 hours. And this is for all the major releases. Then you have the minor releases. It's also mentioned over here. Minor releases usually include important security and bug fixes. That is why we recommend immediate update for such releases. So you can just leave it at immediate over here. And the next one is the update plugins. Keeping your plugins up to date is highly recommended. To make sure your plugins are updated along with WordPress, enable plugin auto updates. So that's why I always enable this option. If it's not by default, I believe it's always enabled by default, but also make sure to check if that's the case. And if that's not the case, then of course make sure to enable it. So that's basically it. Of course, within the WordPress dashboard, where is it? Let me go back to the WordPress dashboard to quickly show you. If you go to the plugins, first I have to go back over here at the plugins options. Now you can see, I see that this one is not enabled yet, but you have to make sure that for all the plugins, this feature is enabled. So at this one, the all-in-one WordPress migration, I can enable it, and also for this one, enable. And for all the other plugins, the setting is already enabled. And this will make sure that your plugins are also automatically updated whenever an update is available. So as it's also mentioned in the SiteGround dashboard in the Site Tools panel, this is highly recommended to make sure that your plugins are updated also for security reasons. So make sure to check this. And if that's not set up, make sure to do so. I hope this quick tutorial was helpful once again. Make sure to also check out my other tutorials that I've made about SiteGround, but also on how to create this website over here. In the first tutorials that are uploaded on my YouTube channel, I explain all the basics, every single step, and how you can create this website along with the logo, with a site icon and all that. The entire process is explained in a way that even for a complete beginner, it's easy to follow, and you can just repeat the steps that you see me do to create a website like this. So it's very easy to do. Of course, it's there is some work involved, but just check out tutorials and you will see that it's very easy to do. No coding is involved and no highly technical stuff or whatever. So it's very simple. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful. Make sure to check out my other tutorials as I've mentioned. And with that being said, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Also hit the notification bell if you want to stay updated on all the other videos that I will upload in the near future. And if you haven't done already, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Then I will say thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day ahead. Thank you very much.